Okay, today we're gonna do a review on how to unpack and assemble this K-pop Explore and More for babies. This is for babies that are 4 months old or more. We just bought it for our daughter. So let's begin. So we take everything out. Okay, so this is the table. It comes with this that you can, when the kids are older, instead of having it as an exerciser, you can make it into an activity table. So let's put this here. This is where you put your kids, and of course instructions. Okay. Let's get to it. Little thing for kids. Some more baby toys. Activity stuff. Man, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so to remove the table, we're gonna just pop it. Here's the table. And we're gonna put these feet. So we're gonna need scissors. Okay, so we get some scissors. Be careful with the kitchen ones. My wife will not be happy about it. So let's just do it real quick and let's just put them so nobody knows. So here it comes with a little thing that it is what pops here. So you can put it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here you'll see how this you can adjust the height. And there you go. Put Vicky here somehow. There you go. Now, here it has a little mirror so they can see their feet, but you don't have to have that. And this, which is the base, it also works as the stand down. So we're gonna put this as the stand. Let's do it. So if you pop these little green things, or pop the harness that you use. And as I said, these to adjust the height. So these ones go like this. You pop this here. And now like that. We can try our baby. So now let's bring the baby. Baby. So let's try the baby. Okay, be careful. And see, my daughter is real big. So we're gonna move it down. you don't want them to stand, but you want it tall enough so they can put their feet on the little table. And now let's put some toys. Let's do this one. These toys here. There you go. This one, so the toys you put them first down and then the top. There you go. And there you have it. And I think she likes it, so it wasn't that hard as other stuff like the crib, but it sure makes them happy. If you want to buy it or anything, we're gonna put a link on the description so you can get it on Amazon. And hope it helps. It's not as hard, and I think it's a good investment for your kid. Bye.